Hi everyone, welcome to the Codersarts YouTube channel and welcome to the new demo video. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through our new in-house product that we have built, which is a real-time Canvas collaborator. So it is way more different than existing Canvas applications that are there in the market because it offers some of the features which are not collectively available in any of the single application that we have in the market, whether it's Excalibur, Figma or various other applications. So without the further ado, let's get started. So this is the interface. When you will first land on to our website, you will see something like this. So from the starting one, you can start collaborating. So first on this left sidebar, we have this style section where you can control the color of the elements, the border width, so these many things. Then we have this toolbar where you can create elements like rectangle, circle, text. You can import images, you can create arrows. Then we have this start collaboration. So when you have to collaborate with some other person, which I will be showing you in the later part of this video, so you can just create a link and share it with the another person. So let me show you first. So you can just select the element that you want to create. I have selected this rectangular bar. I can create like this. The border is coming this much because it's selected to this much. I can deselect it. I can change the color. I can make it greenish. I can change the border color as well. I can make it reddish. And to make it visible, I can increase the border width. You can see like this. Same is the case with the circle one. You can create circle. You can select its styling, like color that you want to give. You can also adjust it, making it small, big, and different other format. Now, if you want to make this thing go backward, like controlling the layering part, like some element should come first, some element should come backward. So you can also control, like I want this much part to go behind this rectangular. Then I can just click on this, go backward. It will go backward. Come forward. So you come forward, and I will show you about what is this two front, two back when we have multiple elements. Then we have this text section. I can just type one. I can also increase the font size and by just like this. You can increase the font size. Then if you want to insert some image, you can do that as well. Just click on this image, select this image. You can see it came over here. You can also increase the width and height of this image by just sliding that one. And as usual, you can make it go backward, go back, you see. And you can also create this arrow. So we are just, see, we can create arrow. I'm just showing you the element, how many elements you can basically create. So you can just increase this border width as well from here. I can just slide it, make it small. We can also choose which direction we want to point it. Also do that. We can also just drag it and put it somewhere else. So these were the things. Now I can just make it come forward, go back, go backward. So this is very useful when we have multiple elements. Like in our case, we have the circle, we have rectangle, image, text, and suppose I'm creating one more this square box. Color is good. Now if I want to make it go back, I can do it like this. I can make it to front. I can make it go backward. See, you can see back means basically it will go behind this one, behind this image. Then more back will basically it will put this particular square box behind this rectangular green box. So if I just click on backward, so you see that square box went behind this one. Now I can just click on forward, it will come here. Again I can click on forward, it will come on top of this. So basically, to control the layering part of the overall elements, like which element should come where, we have these many options. And also, if you want to remove any element, you can just click on this delete. Like after selecting, you can click on delete, or either you can just press backspace and that particular element will automatically remove from this canvas. So this was the overall elements section, like toolbar, where we can create square, circle, text, image, arrow keys, these things. Now we have this section also, like sheets section, where we can create multiple sheets. So we can say one sheet 1 will be allotted for X work, sheet second will be allotted for Y work, and like this. So we can create multiple sheets, and each sheet will have its data independent. So like sheet 1 will have this data, and it will not be shared in the sheet 2. It will have independent. Also, we can change the name of the sheet. We can create duplicate of that particular sheet, so that if we want only certain elements to be there in sheet 1, but we want the duplicate of that, but whatever we are duplicating, it should not be reflected in sheet 1, so we can also duplicate that thing. So let's rename. This is for some work. So this is sheet. I can create a big circle. Create a big circle over here. Just a second. Circle. Then I can create one arrow like this. You can make it come like this. Now this particular element will not be visible in the sheet 1, because both of these sheets are independent of their own. And if we want to duplicate this one, so as I mentioned, as I told earlier, you can just duplicate, like I want only these 2 elements to become in this sheet, but I want to duplicate this one, and I don't want this sheet. I can just rename it sheet 2 duplicate or something like that. So whatever element that we have created over here, it's also being shared in the sheet 3, and we can create independent element on this sheet, and this will again not be visible on this one. So this is one of the most unique feature that we offer in our application, where we can create multiple sheets, and each sheet will have their data on its own. Then we have this zoom in and zoom out section, where we can zoom out, we can zoom in, we can also drag this whole. So suppose I want to work on sheet 2 only, but I want to create more elements on this section. So I can just create these elements. I can zoom out, I can just drag it like here. I can create more elements like this. Then I can again zoom out, drag it somewhere else. So like this. So this is very useful when we have multiple elements and we want to keep all of those elements in the single sheet only. So this is one of the most useful use case. Now let's see another most important feature that our application offers, which is real-time collaboration. So when someone clicks on the start collaboration, one room ID is being assigned automatically to that particular person. Now this owner, like the owner of this particular sheet, can create a shareable link. Only that that link only be accessible by one. Like if somebody has used that particular link, then it can't be accessed by some other person. You have to explicitly generate the link for that particular another person also. And user can see how many active users are actively viewing the canvas, and also what is their permission. So I can just first let me show you how we can create this viewable viewers access only. So you can just click on generate link. Link is being copied. Then I will open it in the Edge browser. It just paste it over here. And as you can see, we are viewing all the elements that are already there in that particular application that we have created. So we have sheets. We have like all the sheets that we were having over there. Like if the person is invited as a viewer, like just a previewer, then they can't create sheets because they don't have the permission to create sheet or even edit something. Like even if you would try to edit something over here and the owner of the sheet edits something on their canvas, then it will be updated, and whatever element that you have created, it will be automatically removed. So this is the previewer access. And if I just show you, you can see 2 active users. One is the owner that the current user is, and another one is the previewer. I can change this permission to collaborator, and you can see your role has been changed to collaborator. Now you are acting as a collaborator. You have this access of creating new sheets. You can create your own sheet now. You can enter elements. You can like this, and even another person who is there, they can view whatever you have created. So this is the sheet. This is the elements basically created by the another user, and it's being visible to that particular user also. Now, the most important thing is real-time collaboration. So even if I just try, let's suppose I'm making some changes in this sheet. I am removing this arrow icon, and I am putting one more box over here. Now I don't want to have to explicitly refresh the page just to view this thing. You can see sheet 2 doubly, and I can just go over here and I can see I don't have to explicitly refresh the page. All the elements will be come automatically over here. I can add one more, and if I just try to visit, it came. And if we are creating more sheets, like I created this sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, then these sheets are also visible to this user, because now these two users are collaborating on the same canvas. So they will be able to see the whatever the owner does on their canvas and whatever the collaborator does on their canvas. Both of them can see each other's element at the real time. Now owner can change the permission also. So this is the collaborator. Collaborator can only see whether they are connected or not, what is their permission and how many users are there, but they can't control whether they can change their permission or not. But the owner can control, like this owner, this is the owner, you can see connected, this person is the owner, and two users are online. I can change the permission. I can change it from viewer to collaborator. Click on close. You can see your role has been changed to viewer. Now this particular person can't create sheet, can't create element, like although it can create element, but if the element is being created by the let's suppose I create on sheet 4, I create this element. Now if I go on to this owner's page and I create some more elements, and I came over here, I click on this, that was removed. Like now user can't see that particular the viewer can't see whatever element that they have created, because they don't have permission to create elements or to write something. So this is also one of the most important feature that our application offers, which is real-time collaboration, and with dual permission of either inviting as a collaborator, inviting as a previewer. So that's it from my side, and that's all I have about this particular app. Now I hope you have understood what problem we are trying to solve. Basically, we have a ton of Canvas app application in the market which offer out of the sky features which basically are not that being used in our daily life. So we have tried to build this Canvas application which you can seamlessly integrate in already existing business applications, or implement custom features which are generally being used by you. So if you have any questions, or if you want to integrate this particular Canvas in your application, do let me know in the comment section, or you can either mail us on contact@codersarts.com. We can help you out with that. And also, if you have any AI product idea in your mind, you want to build an AI app or in general AI product or normal product, you can mail us on contact@codersarts.com. We have high intellectual developers available with us. So we can help you with all of your technical needs. We can help you in overall product development and actually launching your product into the market. So if you have any more questions or any doubt in your mind, feel free to mail us on contact@codersarts.com, and you will get a reply back from our side. So that's all, and that's it in this video. See you in the next one.